So what happens if you do just one plank every day for 60 seconds? Can it really help you get fit, burn fat, and even boost your mood? Let's find out. And don't worry, I'll keep it fun, simple, and yes, honest. Why planks are getting so popular? Bodyweight exercises are blowing up lately. No gym, no machines, just you and gravity. And planks? They're the MVP. This one move works your whole core, improves balance, strengthens your back, and helps burn calories. It's quick, quiet, and you can do it in your PJs. What's not to love? Well, until you're 30 seconds in and regretting every life choice. But we'll get through it. Number 1, stronger core, stronger you. When you plank, you're not just working your abs, you're hitting every part of your core. That includes your obliques, lower back, glutes, and even shoulders. With a stronger core, you'll have better posture, more power during workouts, and yep, those abs might start peeking through if you stay consistent. Number 2, say goodbye to back pain. Planking strengthens the muscles that support your spine without putting pressure on it. So if you sit a lot, have poor posture, or deal with annoying back pain, this 1-minute move can seriously help. No more slouching like a shrimp at your desk. Number 3, boost your metabolism, aka fat burner mode. Here's a bonus. Planks work several muscles at the same time. That makes them a compound exercise, which means you're burning more calories in a shorter time. And the more muscle you build, the faster your metabolism gets, even when you're chilling on the couch. Number 4, you'll balance like a pro. Ever try standing on one leg and instantly wobble? That's your weak core showing off. Planking builds those deep stabilizer muscles that help you balance, whether you're at the gym or just trying to walk without tripping. 1 minute a day can seriously level up your balance and coordination. Number 5, it's a mental game too. Here's something most people don't expect. Planking is actually good for your mental health. It helps reduce stress, tension, and anxiety. Why? Because it stretches and strengthens muscles that get tight when we sit all day. And when you focus on your breath during that 1-minute hold, it's like a tiny reset for your brain. So what's the bottom line? Doing a 1-minute plank every day might seem small, but the results? Huge. Stronger core, less back pain, better balance, faster metabolism, even better mood. No fancy equipment, no gym, just you, the floor, and 60 seconds of determination. Start today, keep it up for 30 days, and come back to tell us how you feel.